wish you
Hey, VWLIFers, welcome to our episode tonight. It's kind of a big moment for us, right, Martin?
Yeah, kind of. A little bit.
We're all together. Hail, hail, the gang's all here. We're all together. Yay! What? Jake's in the back. He just found out that he's not quite as limber as he once was.
Yeah, he's struggling getting back there.
It is super clean back here.
Oh, there he is, Mr. Pun. What we're bringing y'all tonight is we just want to say, hey, thank y'all so much for joining us this whole year of 2023. It's been a fun year. We just appreciate you guys being with us. And so today what we're doing is we're kind of going to do this episode and then kind of take a little hiatus over the holidays because, well, you know, it's time. There's not a lot of Volkswagen stuff going on.
No, it gets dark really early.
Yeah, it does.
It's
Family.
5 o'clock and it's like midnight outside.
Yeah.
So we're going to be taking a break for a little bit. We will be back, so we just want to let y'all know that right off the top here. But we wanted to kind of take a moment to just recap some things we talked about this year, some highlights, lowlights, good things that have gone on. So Tommy B, what do you think? What's some of your good things that have happened this year in the world of VW Lifeness?
We put together a 4 or 5 part series for the Harvest Beetle. That was strong that we actually started and accomplished something, because it seems like this last few rounds we've struggled to actually accomplish anything. So I think it's great that we did that and we're able to raffle that off and get that out to somebody who drives. Who won that? Do we know what their name?
Huntsville Group.
Yeah, some boys over in Huntsville. It was really awesome that they won it too. And they're very excited.
Yeah.
So it's always great when you see the car go off to somebody who's gonna love it,
Drive it, like Volkswagens need to be doing.
Yes.
Yeah, that car was awesome.
That worked out really well. I was very pleased with that. You know, that was good. Martin, what about you? What are some highlights for you for the VW Life this year, buddy?
I'm glad Seaside's gone.
That was this year.
That was this year.
Jeez.
Oh, that was
like a 9-part.
I blocked that out.
Yeah, it's gone.
Remember
now.
all the starter and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Oh,
It was always the starter.
It was 9 parts that never went. We got nowhere with that.
But it got to a new home.
It did, and it ran. It left on its own volition.
Yeah.
So that was.
I dropped it off.
That's right. You did. You took it up there, Jake. So that's a good one. Thank you, Martin. Say that's good. See, that's Seaside. Jake, what about you, buddy? What are some?
I drove a Volkswagen the longest I've ever driven one. I went from Austin to Denver in my bus. Made a few stops on the way. Got engaged. Got engaged in Ziggy, my '66. But yeah, drove it all the way to Denver with no issues.
No, that's
a lie.
That is a lie. You're telling a story now.
But
hey,
a lot.
here's the thing: you made it home,
and so did the bus.
Yeah, and we figured out what was causing it, the breakdowns. Oh yeah. Well,
I want another year without driving a Volkswagen.
Hey, you're on a
I'm on a roll.
He doesn't want to break the streak.
Yeah, no, you can't. But I was over at Martin's house the other day. There's I go, oh, what's this? Oh, here's a dune buggy. Oh, what's this? Here's a bus. Oh, what's this? It's a Beetle. And so he has plenty. We're just gotta get that little.
I worked on it this week.
Yeah.
I welded up a door.
One thing a day.
Doing really good. Martin's doing really, really, really good job stuff on Jesco. Of course, we had the fiasco with the roof. The time painting that was
still sitting there.
But
now it looks super clean.
Yeah, again. But that's coming along. So that's good. Let's see. For me, my thing was that these two guys right here literally took over something that they had no clue what they were doing, and they brought the episodes to you guys by editing them. And I just cannot. I tell them, but I want you guys to know how much I appreciate Martin and Tommy with taking that over and doing that, because it's not easy, and so how appreciative I am, and I hope y'all are too, because without that we wouldn't be here. So thank you guys for that. That's my number one thing. Number two thing is adios Gilbert.
Ooh,
yeah, baby.
I like that bus.
Yes, yeah. Tommy did like Gilbert.
I did.
Gilbert went to a fella down in South Austin.
Stay local.
And it did, and he was very excited. And he was a very nice guy, so I was really happy that he got it. He texts me occasionally, "Hey, I'm driving and doing this," so that's always a good sign that that something you built with your own hands is often making people happy. So that's kind of the whole deal there. And then, you know, there's just, oh boy, you walk around and somebody asked me, hey, here's a 67. I said, no, there's too much at the house right now. I got more junk than Martin has.
Yeah, you do.
It's just sitting around. So there's a lot of stuff that you guys are going to be watching us on because we got all kinds of crazy things going on in 24. Lots of things. Not to mention, I'm going to go ahead and say it now. So this is our first thing. But March 11th through the 14th, we're going to do something we've never tried. It's called the Texas U.S. Route 67 VW road trip. That's a long thing. Basically, what we're going to do is, you know, if everybody cruises Route 66, it's really famous and all that. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to cruise Route 67. And that goes in across Texas. It starts in Texarkana in the Piney Woods, and it goes all the way across Texas down to the Rio Grande at Presidio. And so we have a Facebook page, Instagram page on that for information. But we want you guys to know about it. You can join us at any time, or you can do the whole tour if you want. Martin made this really killer, just awesome logo.
Of course.
Yeah, no, it's just amazing. And one of the things so cool already is that, like, a couple of the cities are really embracing us. They're going to say, we want y'all here. We're going to have a car show, Volkswagen car show, and a street festival. One in Presidio and one also in Fort Stockton. So we're excited about that. So that's March 11th through the 14th. There's a Facebook page. Ooh, listen to that.
That sounds
That's
like
not a Volkswagen.
Yeah, baby, Chomp 2. Gotta like that. Anyway, we're excited about that. It's going to be, it's really more and more of that's coming together. So the Route 67 VW road trip. So if you're open in that time frame, you can join us. We'll have itineraries planned out where we're staying every night, so you can meet up. You go at your own pace, then we'll leave out. It's going to be epic.
So part of y'all's Davy Crockett forest, like when y'all went the other day, is that part of the trek?
No, we were further south than where we will be. We'll be like literally, we're going to start at my sister's antique store in Texarkana, Olive Street Antiques. We're going to start there, and our first stop, I'm going to tell you already, we're going to what a still standing to this day Volkswagen store. The original style Volkswagen store is still there. It's a glass shop now, but we're going to invade it with a bunch of Volkswagens.
Does it got the breezeway blocks in it?
Well, I've looked, and I've dug all the way around to see if it has the Volkswagen.
What's a breezeway block? What's that?
What's a what?
A breezeway block? Yeah.
So back in like the 60s, they had these like you know the concrete like
brick makers,
mortar or cinder blocks. Or
cinder block, but we're actually in Volkswagen logos, and they had built whole walls. With
wow.
Yeah, I've looked there. I didn't see any there before.
They're not like plastered over. Or something.
Yeah, they might be. You know, like chisel them out over there or something. But that's going to be a pretty fun trip. We're excited about that. And gosh, y'all, there's so much other stuff going on. You know, we already got plans on the winter cruise coming up. Junebug.
The Saturday of Father's Day weekend. So the day before Father's Day, Junebug Rally. That's my favorite show ever. So y'all should cover that.
In the history of Junebug, we've been doing it since 09?
I think so.
Yeah,
10 or 09.
Yeah, 09 was when...
you did.
Yeah.
I came in at 10.
Is that what it was? Yeah.
I think so.
We've been doing it a while.
11.
Yeah, and it's grown exponentially and just got so much better over the years. So
it's a fun. I mean, y'all have seen the videos on it. Junebug is just crazy, and it's inspired others, which is kind of cool too.
Yeah.
To put on some shows that some Junebugs. There's the one fella put the one on over in Georgia. In Georgia. So we're getting ready to get a ragtop back to here.
It's a nice looking car.
So this is gonna be pretty cool. You can hear that.
That sounds more like a Volkswagen.
Yeah,
from
baby.
Mexico.
Yeah, it is. Oh, Martin's gonna.
Yeah, I wonder if he brought some avocados with him.
Yeah, they've gone up.
Ooh, VW Harvest.
Harvest car.
Got a Harvest logo on it.
So we're excited. Got a lot going on. A couple of things we just want to say. Please check us out. Hello, it's Christmas time. Everybody wants presents. Go to All Metric Garage. Can they still get it?
The 10th. So by
the 10th.
I think Saturday. Maybe?
So yeah,
we were told
the
if we
10th.
didn't get in time, it was not going to make.
So make your orders today. Make your orders today for All Metric Garage. Buy some stuff there for your favorite Volkswagen person. That's a good opportunity, and it helps support the channel. And we need that. We need some support. Along that line. And please just tell as many people as you can, and keep spreading the word about VWLIFE.
Speaking of support for the channel,
yes,
Tommy's got something to show you.
Oh, I got one for you.
Oh,
and I got one for you.
Wow.
And I got one for you.
That's super clean.
Oh, and I got one too.
Wow.
All right, so what we want you guys to do is to to respond, put something down below. Tell Bretto something cool.
Yeah, say something funny about El Bretto.
Yeah,
Bretto.
tell something about Bretto.
There he
We're going
is.
to choose one guy.
Stick your head in here, El Bretto.
One response.
There he is.
Yeah, look at this fool right here. Exactly.
That's our first kiss on camera.
Yeah.
I think I kissed him.
And we're going to choose somebody, and somebody's going to get some Super Clean products because they're a good sponsor of us, and we appreciate them very much. We have some really good sponsors, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had some good ones this year.
Vever is super awesome. They keep coming through with some stuff. Slaughterhouse Customs. I think we're just like good friends with those guys now.
Yeah, they're
They
buddies.
gave us stuff for the harvest.
Hey, guys.
sponsor or
And
no
if we-
sponsor, it's fun to have go friends.
yeah.
Heritage. We got for all you Mark 1 early Scirocco lovers out there, we got something special coming next year.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, our friends at Heritage have hooked us up. We are so excited. Rocky 13 is going to be, man, running like a top.
Yeah. Heritage Parts Center is great. Who
It's
else are some good? Oh, Wolfsburg West. Never forget them.
oh yes.
Go Westy. Never forget
Go
that.
Westy.
Those
Yes.
guys come in clutch, and I think they have too many. They think too highly of us because when we ordered some stuff, they sent it like overnight, and we're like, no, we're not.
We
gonna
don't
We
work
don't
that
get to it that
We don't work that
But
fast.
we love y'all.
But we certainly love those guys. They're
We
super
don't work
rad.
that fast. No, that's for sure. But we do appreciate everybody out there without
Yeah.
question. It's just been a great year. We're looking forward to 24. We have some possible news. We're not going to break anything now as far as the harvest, but there could be some new changes there coming at the place. So
Yeah.
we'll have to wait and see. That's what it's all about. It's a long time from now, but it'll be here before you know it. And look, it's just a matter of time before Jesco gets the high top put on it.
Jesco!
That is, we're like,
Jesco needs to drive somewhere too.
Absolutely.
it is getting so close. Jesco is getting so close. We're excited about that.
Yeah.
So
The channel's got some great growth in it. We hit 43,000 subscribers. That was awesome. So we thank you guys for that.
Yeah.
We're
Good amount of subscribers, and naturally, I mean, it's just natural. People.
yeah,
just show up.
that's not like paying
Yeah, like
those spider things. Or anything.
yeah.
That's the real deal. Yeah,
All from the U.S. and
those are real people.
from
all over you.
England and Australia. It's the big countries.
And we
but
hit,
all over the world.
we're well on the other side of 6 million view hours, which is pretty awesome.
Wow.
We were at like 5.5 with Seaside.
Yeah.
And
Oh
we
wow.
gained another like 500,000.
If y'all are watching, thank you.
So yes, thank you very, very much for that. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yep.
And keep living that VW life, man.
That's what it's all
It's,
about. Isn't it?
we want to know, obviously we wanted you to talk about El Bretto in the comments. I just want to know, what was your favorite Volkswagen memory you had this year? Mine, like I said, was getting engaged and all that good stuff in a trip, but tell us your favorite Volkswagen memory and give us El Bretto a shout out too.
That's the best part for sure. We are just excited for the whole year that we've had in review. There's been a lot going on. We're going to bring some different kind of content to you guys. We're going to try going live again. We're going to try doing that. We're going to try doing some more like just sit around and discussion talk, like roundtable. I think that's very important about the state of what the VW community is, what we're doing, what's going on in the world of Volkswagens and classic Volkswagens, and how all that looks now. So we're excited to bring y'all some more content. We definitely will have builds coming up. Like we said, Jesco.
Maybe 25 at this rate.
But I'll tell you what, it's definitely super clean.
Oh, there you go. We got.
Just beat that bid
yeah.
horse.
Oh, I love it.
They pay us, I sell out.
Oh, that's it. That's my boy. That's my boy.
You know, we talked about doing a live last year, the
Yes.
same exact time.
I know. Well,
Yeah, we got to that.
but it's
you know.
crazy how fast.
Technology. I don't know how to do it.
Well,
Hey, yeah, so if
You
anybody
can't
knows
get
how
this
to
guy to do it
anything,
because he'll pull his typewriter out or something. That's how he tries to reply to you. He wants to mail everybody that
I
letter.
know.
Send a carrier
I would
pigeon.
like to send people mail letters. Letters are nice. Letters are very nice. Well, we just want to say thank you guys again so much. It's been a great year. We're looking forward to 24, and we will see you guys in 24. We're not going to sing. We want to sing All Lang Syne or something like that.
No.
Martin is not
No
going
more
to sing.
singing.
So,
No.
I guess that's it. Y'all got anything else, Jake? You got anything else, buddy?
You gotta keep driving your Volkswagens. And if it's not running, get it running. Drive it.
What about you, Martin? Martin has nothing.
Nothing.
My legs are asleep.
He's
numb from the legs down.
Yeah, and we close the door. It's getting a little chilly out there. You guys might be toasty in here. My leg's cold out
Yeah,
here.
you have one cold leg.
Well, we're at the meetup, so we're gonna go talk to people now.
Yeah,
So-
everybody's like, man, it's so funny. People have been walking by here in and out going, hey, what? Oh, wait, okay. Oh, hey, wait. So it's pretty funny. We got a few Volkswagens here. It is December here in Texas, and it's not too chilly tonight, so it's
December
pretty good.
everywhere.
Oh, yeah. Okay, if you're in Australia, it's warm right now.
Yes.
See, there you go. That's it.
We are.
You guys are awesome. We just want to say thank you so much for watching VW Life and spreading the word. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. This is what it's all about, just hanging out with your buddies and making good times, because that's what this is all about. Until next year, Merry Christmas, everybody, and have a Happy New Year. We'll see y'all in 24.
You guys are rad.
Super clean.